Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about DeepBrain AI Studio. So you can see on your screen this is my account, and I have already created my account, but this is a free plan. So you can see over here this is the pricing of DeepBrain, and in the free plan you will see like one seat. This is not a very big matter. In this free plan you will create 3 videos per month, okay, and the video length should be not more than 3 minutes, okay, and you can use like unlimited AI prompts and 15 plus AI avatars, okay, you can choose anyone, okay. And if we talk about in this free plan you can create only 3 videos, and after you can select creating 3 videos you have to pay like $24 minimum payment, okay. And when you are going to subscribe this plan you need to pay like $288, because this plan will build annually, okay. Or you can choose like one monthly plan, though in this case you need to choose like $29 per month, okay. And if we talk about like in this plan what you will get unlimited videos. You can create unlimited videos, but the video length should be like not more than 10 minutes, okay. So this is the, you can say, like pricing you can see. But if we talk about you should purchase this you can say like subscription or not, so my dear friends, I have created a free, you can say, like video, and the video length is approx like 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and it will take approx like it is taking like too much time, and almost 10 minutes already you can say like consume this video. So it means it will take lots of time to create videos, okay. So if you have so much time, then you can go with this you can say like platform. Otherwise, if you want more fast and easiest ways to you can say like creating videos, then you can choose another one, okay. But it will take, I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing, because I have already provided each and every text from chat gpt, but it is still taking so much time. So I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing, okay. And if we talk about like this you can say like AI deep AI studio, everything is looking good, but it will consuming lots of time, okay. So this is the information. Now you can make your own decision, okay. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.